Welcome to this tutorial showing how to use the offset function in Excel. The offset function is very similar to the index function. It returns a reference to a range that is a given number of rows and columns from a given reference. In other words, starting from a given cell and adding a specified number of row and a specified number of column to get to a new cell and returning the value contained in that cell. This is the syntax of the offset function. Equals offset, open parentheses, followed by three parameters, separated by commas. First, the starting range, comma, the row number to add to the starting range, comma, and finally, the column number to add to the starting range, closing parentheses. This is our data, values by product and by month, and a number of row to use and a number of column to use as well. That would be our starting range. Here, cell D11. We want to look up the value located 2 rows down and 8 columns to the right of our starting range. Equals offset, open parentheses, our starting range, cell D11, comma, the number of rows we want to add, 2, comma, the number of columns we want to add, 8. Closing parentheses, pressing enter, getting the value 428. Let's verify that. That's our starting range. Adding 2 rows, 1, 2, and adding 8 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 428. Our formula is working. Let's change some values. Picking now the third row and adding 5 columns. 337 here. Using the offset formula, we can also get the value for the next month. If we wanted to get 351, we would use the same formula. So next month, and then paste it here. And now for the column, we would use +1, 351. So we get our first value and the value for the next month. And that is how the offset function works. This concludes this tutorial about the offset function. Thanks for watching.